dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bond.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos. Just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. 5W Series Part 5. Why? Everyone finds their reason for being. There are no exceptions, but how you go about accomplishing that purpose. Some people do it for money, then others do it for love. But an unstoppable reason is for family. Building a family legacy that will exist for generations to come is very powerful. I believe if the reason is the most important to you, nothing will stand in your way to make your purpose a reality in your life. 4 books every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife. Money, current medium of exchange, measure of value. We all know that money is the end-all, be-all in a capitalistic society, but it has limits as to how much money one person can accumulate. Some people are lucky to be in situations that allow them access to riches. There are others who must work a 9-to-5 to collect money. All these paths will require a person put in the time, love, intense feeling of deep affection, positive emotional state. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. One way to make it easy to be on your purpose is to be in love. It makes a person willing to get up at old dark 30 to continue to grind. Nothing can stop the desire of keeping that feeling, that sensation of love. We can move mountains behind the power of love. The love to provide for your future generation of children and grandchildren will not be denied. Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Family legacy, extending financial security, beliefs, and traditions to heirs. The most powerful drive of a person's pursuit for their purpose is building a family legacy. The one thing we have an opportunity to control is the future of our next generation. We can provide the foundation for the creation of a family legacy that will endure the millennium. As a man, there is nothing greater than passing on a tradition of pride for the dynasty you built. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds, so stand with thee.